and this is the one that matters here. Sneezing in threes. Does that ring a bell? My allergies are the worst. So, look out!